You have been trying in the last few days to resolve this mining issue. You have seriously fought hard for this. Are you unsatisfied with the way the things have been going on? Because CM is not there, the Cabinet Advisory Committee is there, which seems to be really not able to understand the issue and all. So, are you unsatisfied with your own government?
No. The question of me being unsatisfied does not arise. I am unsatisfied that we can't find a solution to the problem. I am not unsatisfied with my government. I am unsatisfied because I can't find a solution to the problem. Now the solution of the problem, I was sitting with Chief Secretary in my office today. He had come because the Secretary, Chairman of some committee. So what has happened is the Chief Secretary has understood the whole problem and explained, and he has given his views, and he has convinced me that we are going in the right direction. So I am supposed to give some time. There is time. Everything will take some time. Yes, if Honorable Chief Minister was here, it would have been a little faster, I feel. He is not there along. But I have trust in all the other three members of the Cabinet Committee who has been performed in the absence of the Chief Minister. They are also well versed. They are all supported the issue, and we will find solutions. But we want to find solutions very fast. And I think they are going in the right direction now without the Chief Minister. If Chief Minister was there, we would have got it a little faster.
You feel that the issue has not been resolved at the moment now, because you all said you would take opinion from certain advocates, senior judge, lawyers, but it seems that they have said no to that now.
No, they cannot be biased. No, see, if they have given opinions, see, the CAC, the cabinet committee decided on taking on some people's advice. These people have given advice to already the mine owners. How they can give the government? So they have to get a neutral view. So that is why they said no, it is correct. Legally, a lawyer cannot take opposition. Suppose he is fighting a case for somebody else, and somebody else goes also to fight with him for a different matter. They will not give, no. So it is correct what they have done. So now we have found some other advocate who is not dealing with senior advocate in the Supreme Court, who is not dealing with these matters, and I think we will go forward. Today also there was one matter in the Supreme Court where I think there was an argument on the same mining issue, but a different issue. And Prashant Bhushan, who is representing the Hopeless Foundation, which is done nonsense here, Prashant Bhushan was totally sidelined by them when he was trying to stop even a small activity. And the same Lokur judge has told that you can continue mining, in a sense, to the over already paid for royalty. So it looks nice that things are coming favorably. See, I am for continuation of mining. I am not here for any individual. I want the entire state, entire nation to progress, and this is what it is. Now we have to find a means. That is the means we have to